Look, Mom.
Need paint repair? Peter's Body Shop, corner of Bluffton and Sandpoint Road.